Hi Vidi, welcome back to Tampredict's White Magic Spells, and let's see what are your messages for today, what all I can tell you. Let's see what are the messages. I've also got some money cards, love cards. Let's see. Yeah, I was saying that somebody is waiting for you, stepping outside of their comfort zone to approach you or to re-approach you with someone you've not been speaking. I feel their perspective is changing of the whole thing of what's happening. There's a fire sign waiting for you. You could be a fire sign, okay? That's another thing I get. Number 9 could be important for you. 9 days ago or 9 weeks ago something happened. You could be a September born or you could be dealing with a September born, but this is somebody stepping outside their comfort zone is what I get with this card, and a new perspective also, for the relationship or in the relationship. Look, yeah, look at this, what fell from my hand. This card came yesterday also. This is love overflowing. This is somebody thinking that were they fair to you, were they not fair to you, did they give you enough love? And I think they are going to change their perspective of the relationship if they have not been treating you so well or not been good to you in any way. This is somebody who understood that they have to come towards you, and this is Ace of Cups. This is going to flow. Okay, they will also let things be, go with the flow. You're going to do that because you're not going to control anything anymore. And I feel if someone belongs in your life, they will come back. This is so much, I'm getting the word destiny. If you've been waiting for them and they have to come back, I feel right now the time has come where destiny will play its part, and I think it's a very, very important sign. I really get the word destiny right now, and the line that destiny is ready to play its part. And if things have not gone your way, or no matter how hard you try, things haven't really been good, they will be. And here is your number 8 and 8 of wands. This is always communication. This is swiftly, this is something coming your way, some kind of a news coming your way. Lot of fire. So fire could be that passion reignited. If you think that the other person lost all passion for you, or they really don't care, or they don't care much about you, but this is them coming towards you, or some kind of a news coming towards you that will be important. This is destiny playing a part and sending you messages and sending you them sending them to you, and pretty quickly. This is some kind of a sign or a signal you'll receive that things are going to go your way, and the end result is this. There is a overflow of love, which is good. Could be dealing with a water sign. You could be a water sign. I'm getting the word directions. I'm getting the word compass. I'm getting the word south. Maybe south as a direction word is important. See, somebody wants to give it a start. Fool is always the beginning of a journey. Your major arcanas always start with 0, and this is also like a new beginning when you say 0 in zilch and you start things afresh. I'm getting a fresh, and this is somebody who now is ready to step out of the comfort zone, or if they were egoistic, or if they were holding back. This is okay. That's another message I get from my spirit guides. They're not going to hold back. See, it's almost like if this person stepped back, it's not coming forward. It's already there, where it's comfortable, the person is comfortable, or the person has ego and they don't want to come forward. But this is somebody stepping outside their comfort zone, ready to jump off the cliff, meaning that they will work harder, or they want to come towards you. And this is a start of a new chapter, guys. I definitely feel that. And this is somebody who did, steal your heart, or probably did not do the right things, cannot move forward, is looking back. And this person, I feel at night you could have had a fight and would have ended at night. I feel more like a night here. And in the morning, from morning, night time, you had a very big fight, and from morning you did not hear from them. That's what I feel. It's like from morning there was silence or something to do with morning, and they disappeared, or they blocked you in the morning. Yellow is a big color because around me I'm seeing yellow and mustard quite a lot, and it's very important. And this is what's going to happen, because at the right time somebody's going to come back. And if you're looking for a new lover, I feel April end, I feel June this year, May this year are very good months for you, or very good months to find out if the person is really committed to you or will take this relationship forward. This is you. You could be any gender. This is you, very much in your power. Look at this, making things happen around you. This is also, that you've done enough of work and you're letting destiny take control. The Empress is caring. The Empress, when in this card the Empress is pregnant, and That's new ideas. And pregnancy is also beginning of something new, a new chapter, because you've got a baby. But definitely you could be pregnant and the person would have left you, or they don't know that you're pregnant or something. And this is if you have a child with them, a very young baby, a baby. If you have a child with them, I definitely feel you have somebody coming back to you. Number 3 is important. There could be a March born, or you could be a March born. A few messages here that I took out the cards from the couple cards I have. I'm scared to get in touch with you. So somebody wants to get in touch with you, okay? Remember, these could be general message. These are general messages, so some messages would resonate, some would not. So take what's fine with you, the message, I'm scared to get in touch with you. So maybe that's why they were holding back, because they did not know the right words, or they did not know what to say, or it was very difficult for them to say sorry. So the person who was holding back, will suddenly burst like a pressure cooker, because all the pressure has been building up and they don't know what they need to do, or they did not know how to approach you, or how to come back, or how to address the problem or the situation. So but this is the time, like I said, destiny, maybe like yesterday also said, maybe destiny did not want you guys to talk to each other right now, because it's not the right time. Heal the heart. So once your hearts are healed, both sides, and there's no malice and there is no anger and not thinking of ill, when you fight, you start hating the person, not really, but yeah, the words that we say, or we hurt each other. But your both your hearts needed to heal for you guys to come forward. I see the rest of you, rest of my life with you. So they want to be with you. We've already got the Four of Wands, which they want to build a life with you, and they will talk about it. 2 cards came out. I pushed you away as I was scared. Somebody was non-committal. Somebody could not commit. The moment they thought that this relationship is going somewhere, or they really liked you, and they knew that next step is you getting serious, next step is marriage or engagement or involving the family, that's when they got scared and they pushed you away. Like, or probably they did something that you would go away, or they deliberately cut you out. I respect you and value you, so there's a lot of respect and value. Focus. Time to focus on the right things. I'm scared to get in touch with you again, so that is double confirmation. I was wrong. This is somebody who knows they were wrong, and they are trying to get the courage to talk to you. Okay, I have to take that card. And you will not believe what it says. Go with the flow. What did I say when I picked up the Ace of Cups? I said it's go with the flow. The flow, it's going to flow. The love is going to flow. I'm giving you hints. I told you, you'll get signs and hints that they want to be back, guys. Let's see the bonus money cards. What are they saying? Spirit guides, please give me a few cards. Green color is important for you. Green color is also money for me. So maybe coming in, there's an interview that's going to happen, which is beautiful. You're going to get an interview. There's stability in job. So if your job hasn't been really stable, you'll get a much better job. Think positive and you shall receive. So whatever you want to think, you will receive. Don't worry, guys. Money for business. If you wanted money for business and some kind of a loan or somebody to help you, you will get money. Ask and you shall receive. Twice this card has come. So manifestation power is the highest next 3 days. New opportunities. This is beautiful. Enemy. So be careful of anybody you think is, envious of you and is an enemy or is backbiting. Just be careful. Many opportunities. So if one door closes, another will open. Don't worry, guys. You are taking it too easy. Look at the problem with new eyes, and that's what we had with both. They are also looking at the problem with new eyes, or whatever's happened in the relationship. And you've got abundance. And let's stop with this, because you started with, we had the Ace of Cups and we have abundance, our card. So those are my messages, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I'll be back with another reading. Take care. Have a beautiful day.